Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Toddler Tamers is probably one of the most sought-after items for parents navigating the often chaotic world of toddlerhood, offering a unique blend of entertainment and developmental benefits designed to keep your little ones engaged and happy while fostering crucial skills. As a parent myself, I know the struggle of finding toys that are not only fun but also contribute positively to a child's growth, and that's precisely why we're diving deep into what makes Toddler Tamers stand out in a crowded market, exploring its features, benefits, and why it might just be the game changer you've been looking for to bring a little more peace and a lot more joy into your home. Number 5. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Edge Gel. Achieve a flawless finish with our powerful edge control. It provides a strong, long-lasting hold to keep your style in place all day. This formula is enriched with biotin, coconut oil, and babassu oil. These nourishing ingredients work together to promote healthier, longer-looking hair. Designed for both women and men, it's perfect for creating sleek edges and smoothing flyaways. Get the polished look you desire. Experience a robust hold without stiffness or flaking. It keeps your hair perfectly styled while feeling comfortable and natural. Use it daily to define your hairline and enhance your hairstyle. It's the secret to achieving your healthiest hair yet. This 2 fluid ounces jar is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Keep your edges looking sharp wherever you are. What we like? This product offers a strong, long-lasting hold for your edges. It's infused with biotin and oils to promote healthier, longer hair. If you're looking for a reliable way to style your edges while nourishing your hair, this is the one for you. What people say. The Toddler Tamers are designed with a soft, plush exterior that is gentle on delicate skin. Each toy features a unique, interactive button that plays soothing lullabies and nature sounds, helping to calm and entertain your toddler. The durable stitching and high-quality materials ensure that the Toddler Tamers can withstand rough play and frequent washing. Number 4. Kitsch Detangler Brush, Gentle Curly Hair Brush. Tired of battling knots and tangles? Discover the ultimate solution for smooth, manageable hair. This brush glides through your locks with ease. Whether your hair is curly, straight, thick, or fine, this brush is designed to work for you. It gently tackles knots without pulling or causing breakage. Experience the difference flexible bristles make. They bend and flex to minimize snagging, providing a comfortable detangling experience every time. Use it on wet hair after a shower or on dry hair for quick touch-ups. It's versatile enough for your daily routine, however you prefer to style. Perfect for adults and kids alike, this brush is a must-have for the whole family. Achieve salon-worthy results at home with this essential hair tool. Not only does it perform exceptionally, but it also looks great. Its stylish haze blue finish adds a touch of elegance to your beauty collection. What we like? Experience gentle detangling with its flexible bristles that adapt to your hair. It works wonders on all hair types, whether wet or dry. If you struggle with knots and want a brush that minimizes breakage, this is a fantastic choice for both adults and kids. What people say. The Toddler Tamers are designed with safety features that make them a great choice for parents. The product's durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play, making it a long-lasting toy. Toddler Tamers feature an educational component that helps children develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Number 3. Tangle Teezer Plant-Based Ultimate Detangler Brush. Discover the revolutionary Tangle Teezer Plant-Based Ultimate Detangler. It's designed to gently detangle all hair types, wet or dry. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. This innovative brush works to eliminate them effortlessly, significantly reducing hair breakage. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, this detangler is perfect for you. It provides a smooth and comfortable brushing experience for everyone. Use it on wet hair after washing or on dry hair for a quick refresh. It handles both with exceptional ease and effectiveness. Crafted with plant-based materials, it's an eco-conscious choice. Plus, the marshmallow pink color adds a touch of style to your haircare routine. Invest in the health and beauty of your hair. This brush helps you achieve smoother, stronger, and more manageable locks with every use. What we like? This brush is made from plant-based materials, making it an eco-conscious choice. It's designed to effectively eliminate knots and significantly reduce hair breakage. If you prioritize sustainable products and want a brush that is kind to your hair, consider this option. What people say. These brushes have soft and flexible bristles that gently detangle without causing any damage, preventing split ends and breakage. It detangles really well without pulling or breaking my hair, wet or dry. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. It is perfect for thin, fine hair. It is very gentle and doesn't hurt, it detangles extremely well, and it doesn't pull out a ton of hair, like every other brush I've used. Number 2. Baby's First Gambling Kit Prank Gift Box. Looking for a hilarious and unforgettable gag gift? This is it. It's the perfect choice for white elephant parties or any occasion where a good laugh is needed. Prepare for uncontrollable laughter with this unique prank gift box. It's designed to surprise and amuse, making it a memorable present for friends and family. Introducing the Baby's First Gambling Kit Prank Box. It looks like a real gift, but the contents are sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. Whether it's a white elephant exchange or just a fun get-together, this gag gift is guaranteed to be a hit. It's a fantastic way to lighten the mood and create lasting memories. Give the gift of laughter with this cleverly designed prank box. It's the ideal present for anyone who appreciates a good sense of humor and a bit of playful mischief. What we like. Looking for a hilarious gag gift that will get everyone talking? This item is a perfect choice for white elephant exchanges or as a funny prank. If you want to bring laughter and surprise to your next gift-giving occasion, this is the ultimate pick. What people say. This was a great atmospheric change at Christmas time. Everyone loved the prank box, found it hilarious, and the person receiving the gift didn't realize their gift was actually inside. This made the gift-giving even more spectacular. Gave it to my brother-in-law for his baby shower and filled it with a poker set and baby cards and books. He got a good laugh out of it. She sent me a message right after they opened it, though she absolutely loved it. Way too funny. Number 1. Tame Hair Taming Cream Wand. Tired of dealing with flyaways and frizz? Our innovative cream wand is here to help you achieve a smooth, polished look effortlessly. Specially formulated for your little ones, this product offers natural and vegan hair care solutions. Keep their hair looking neat and tidy with gentle ingredients. Achieve that perfect slicked back hairstyle with ease. It's ideal for creating clean and sophisticated looks for babies and toddlers. This gentle formula is designed with babies and toddlers in mind. It effectively smooths hair without causing irritation, making styling a breeze. Say goodbye to stubborn frizz. This styling stick provides a long-lasting anti-frizz effect, ensuring their hair stays smooth all day long. The convenient wand applicator makes styling quick and simple. Just a few swipes are all it takes to tame even the most unruly hair. What we like. This wand is perfect for taming those pesky flyaways and frizz, especially for kids. Its natural and vegan formula is gentle on young hair. If you need a simple, effective, and safe way to style your toddler's hair, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Toddler Tamers is a great toy for keeping little ones entertained. The design is very sturdy and has held up well to rough play. It's easy to assemble and the features are engaging for toddlers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.